guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're at Illumi here in Mississauga. This is just the entrance. Illumi is made of 14 sections of lights. This one is the Tunnel of Love. It's busy.
When you come to Illumi, you will follow a trail that will lead you through 14 different sections made up of over 20 million lights. After passing through the Tunnel of Love, we made our way onto the Crazy Boulevard.
There's even an old school fire truck that you can sit in. I'll get into it in a minute. Gotta wait for the kids.
I don't know if they're my size. This section is the happiest farm, but I am not happy. There's no donkey. This section is the Land of Frost. It's so beautiful in here. I love it. There's even a carousel here for the kids to ride, or adults. Next up, the colorful Animal Kingdom. Found my ancestors, flame ingos. Nobody will understand that. They even make rattling noises. This one makes me real hungry. The next section is called Scarlet Spiders. I don't like spiders, so I'm kind of nervous. Hold me.
There is a lot of spiders in this section. Some pretty big ones too.
Nightmares. We're gonna have nightmares. Now we're in the infinite pools and there are penguins everywhere. It's a whale of a tail. Next up, magic lanterns. This is pretty cool. They've got like bamboo. That is a huge dragon. This section is the Cavalia horses. The Tree of Lights can be seen from kilometers around. It stands 47 meters tall, which is the same size as the Statue of Liberty. We have is the little dino park. Bathrooms are under the dinos. We just came out of Illumi. It was absolutely incredible. I definitely recommend you come check it out. It took us about an hour and a half to go through it, but there is no time limit. You can take all the time in the world. Thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye! Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are at illumi. And that's it. That's all I know. First stop, the washroom, because you know I have to pee. I won't make my real elephant noise because I don't want to scare others.